So in Photoshop, we have a couple ways once our image is open to edit this image. The first way that we can edit this image is to zoom out using Command minus, grabbing a hold of our move tool up here. And you can see if you hover over it that it will give you a shortcut. There it is, the V key. You're going to notice that it's got these corners. If you do not see that, that is under Show Transform Control right here. You notice they go away if I uncheck it, and if I check it, they are back. Now, one of the key. And to keep this about the same size and proportionate, what I can do is start to enlarge my image. It will enlarge based on proportions, meaning your height to width ratio will stay the same. And so here, that looks pretty good. Once I have it done, I have to press return or enter on the keyboard. And I'm going to grab then this marquee tool over here, which is the rectangle marquee. Coming back over to Photoshop, Command plus to zoom in a little bit. That's a little too much. I'm going to come up to this corner and I'm going to click and drag until I have the whole thing selected. Then I'm going to press Command C and I'm going to come back to my original picture. And here's my background, so Command minus to zoom out a little bit here. And I'm going to press Command V to paste the image. Another way to get an image into your project is to start with the rectangle marquee. And sometimes this is going to make it so it might not be quite so proportionate with the other images as what I just did. So I tend to like the first way to do this, but I'm going to click and drag until I just get the edges of it. Once I have that done, I can come up to Image and Crop, and it gets rid of everything in the background. So now that I have that image cropped, again, Command C, coming back to the original image, and Command V.